Hey, what is up everyone, this is PRAN here and today I'm going to tell you about an app called Remote Fingerprint Unlock, which is awesome. The app lets you to unlock your PC or laptop with your mobile's fingerprint scanner. Let me show you, like this. And one more thing guys, this app is still in the development stage but it is stable for now. I have covered each steps in details for this video, so please do watch it till the end. And now, how about you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified and enjoy our videos. First of all, you need a laptop or a PC and a mobile with fingerprint scanner to try this out, which is obvious. And secondly, you have to go to the web browser on your PC or laptop and install this module called Windows Fingerprint Credential Module. I will be giving these links in the description area below, so please do check that out. And if your PC is 64-bit architectured one, then download the first one, or else if your PC is 86-bit, then download the second. So please find out your PC or laptop's architecture, please download the correct version. And my PC is 64-bit architectured one, so I will download the first one. Right click on the file and download it. Now go to the folder where you have downloaded the file and extract the zip file like this. Now open that folder and click on the .exe file and run it as an administrator or double click it, and then click on yes and install. Now if you see this pop-up, then click on yes and you're good to go. Now open the Play Store and download this app called Remote Fingerprint Unlock, and before opening the app, please make sure that your PC or laptop is connected with the same network, or else you can connect your laptop to phone's hotspot. And main thing is, make sure that your laptop is in the lock screen mode. For that, click on Windows, then click on your account icon and you will see the lock mode and click on it and you're good to go. Now open the app and click on the scan button and tap on this icon to refresh the page. And as you can see, it is showing my laptop's name. Just tap on that and save it. And now tap on the accounts and add account. Now this is very important. Please type your account name same as your PC's one. In the lock screen mode only, you will get to see your account's name in the middle of the screen or left bottom end of the screen. Just type that and also put your password same as your laptops or PCs. And now verify your fingerprint 2 times like this and click on the save and proceed. Now tap on the account name to select it. Now click on these 3 lines and go to the unlock section and you're good to go.